Hey there, rockstars! Welcome back to my channel. So you landed your first preschool teaching gig. Congrats! That's huge! But let me guess, the shining excitement wore off around with two. And now you're staring down a room full of tiny tornadoes thinking, wait, how do I actually do this? Activities, meltdowns, transitions, hell. Yeah, my first year felt less like sunshine and rainbows and more like, well, surviving a glitter explosion while juggling. I get it. It's brutal sometimes, but guess what? You can do this. And I've got 5 pro tips that seriously saved my sanity. Let's dive in. Don't be in a rush to leave, because tip 5 might just be the gimmick you need to hear to answer all the questions in your mind. I am Oluwaseun, Abosede Olaleke, an early years practitioner and your new early years consultant neighbor. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. I am super duper excited to have you here. Your presence here means so much to me. Just sit back, enjoy this video till the end. Subscribe if my content met your quest. Like and share if possible. For my returning subscribers, what do I say? You're amazing. God bless you as you continually support this vision. Without much ado, let's get started already. Routine is your best friend. Seriously, treat it like family. And that is why it is coming first on my list. Truth be told, this isn't just about writing a schedule on the wall and calling it a day. A solid routine is your secret weapon for keeping things calm and organized, especially when working with little kids. Children do so much better when they know what's coming next. It helps them feel safe, lowers stress, and honestly saves you from repeating instructions over and over again. Fewer meltdowns, more smiles. So, how do you make it work? First, keep it visual. Don't just say the routine. Show it. Use pictures, drawings, or even photos for things like circle time, play time, snack time, outside time, story time, and time to go home. Visuals actually help children make sense of the day, especially the younger ones who are yet to read, who can't read yet. Then the magic move. Talk about the routine all the time. Say things like, all right friends, let's check our schedule. We've just finished playing. What's next? Yes, it's snack time. When you do this consistently, same words, same tone, same reading, it becomes second nature to them. You're building a rhythm they can rely on, and trust me, that's so much more effective than trying to shout over the notes or explain things 10 times. It might feel repetitive, but that's exactly why it works. Predictability gives preschoolers confidence and comfort. You'll thank yourself later. Another important tip is to master the magic phrases. Dish the long talks. From experience, I have learned that explaining why running inside is dangerous for the 100th time can sound boring to a preschooler. It can be totally draining for you as a teacher too. And most of the time, it goes right over the preschooler's head. Instead of the long lectures, try using short, clear, and positive magic phrases. These are simple little sentences that helps children know exactly what you expect without all the drama. They are easy to say, easy to repeat, and super effective when used consistently. Here are a few go-to examples. Walking feet inside, please. Instead of yelling, stop running. Gentle hands with your friend. Way better than don't eat. Crisscross, applesauce, hands on your lap. Perfect for setting the tone at circle time. First we clean up, then we go outside. It helps them understand what comes first. The key is to keep it short, clear, and positive. Focus on what you want them to do, not just what to stop doing. And yes, you will have to say these phrases often, but when you use them calmly and consistently, they really start to stick. It's like a little script that helps children feel safe, guided, and less likely to push back. The third one, still like an artist, no shame, just being smart. This tip is the gamer for every successful preschool teacher I have known, including myself. It is high time you stopped feeling the pressure to come up with fresh, Pinterest, worthy activities every single day. Please, don't stress it. Seriously, stop right there. You don't have to be a master craft designer or an ideal factory. Your real job is helping children learn and have fun in simple, meaningful ways. That's it. The best teachers aren't always the most creative. They are the best at using what already works. So, where can you borrow from? Teacher blogs like Pre-K pages or Teach Preschool. Pinterest. Just type simple preschool activities. You write your theme there. You can go on Instagram. #preschool activities is full of germs. And don't forget, ask your fellow teacher. They've probably already tested something that works. This is another pro tip. Go for open-ended activities, the kind that don't need tons of prep, but they keep children engaged for a long time. Think blocks, Play-Doh, dramatic play, sensory beans, that is with rice, beans, or water. Simple acts like crayons, stickers, or stamps. These are gold. They encourage creativity, independence, and exploration without eating up your whole evening in prep time. And guess what? It's totally okay to repeat activities. Children love familiarity. Just because you're bored doesn't mean they are. Repeating something gives them a chance to go deeper, to try new ideas, and build confidence in what they already know. So, don't reinvent the wheel. Just give it a fresh spin. Tip 4. Transitions are the danger zone. Always plan your escape route. Transitions are the most chaotic part of any preschool day, Going from playtime to circle time or getting ready for lunch. Oh my! That's when children suddenly forget how to listen. Then tempers flare and your calm classroom turns into a mini circus. But here's the truth. It doesn't have to be that way. With a little planning and consistency, you can turn transitions into smooth, even fun moments. Don't just shout clean up and hope they will magically do it. Instead, use a clean up song every single time. Say something like, okay friends. When the clean up song starts, it's time to put everything away. Ready? Eventually, the song becomes their cue. No yelling needed. Give warnings. Children do better when they are not caught off guard. Try 5 more minutes to play. 2 minutes before clean up. These little heads ups help them mentally to prepare for what's next. Be specific. Instead of saying, everyone clean up, break it up. Sarah, can you tuck the dolls into the bed? James, please put the cars in the red bin. The formula is clear directions equals less confusion and more cooperation. Add a little novelty. Transitions don't have to be boring. Make them playful. Can you hop like a bunny to the carpet? Let's tiptoe like sneaky mice to the sink. It keeps things light and helps children move with purpose and a smile. Smooth transitions aren't just about avoiding chaos. They also help children feel safe, seen, and in control. A calm switch from one activity to another sets the tone for the next moment. Trust me, it's worth the extra thought. Okay, last but probably most important, let's talk about you. But before we talk about you, if you have watched this video up till now and you have not subscribed, that means you have a question to ask me. Kindly ask your question in the comment section, but at least press that subscribe button. It will help you get another video from me the next time I post one like this. Do not forget to like the video and share with a friend that you think has some same challenge. You cannot afford to be stingy with information, my darling. That's how much I care about you. So, have you done them? Or should I wait 15 seconds for you? Okay, let's wait. Thanks for the kind gesture. Now, let's talk about you as a preschool teacher. Let me start by reminding you that you can't pour from an empty cup. And trying to be the perfect teacher all day, every day is a fast track to burnout, especially in your first year. So, whenever you feel overwhelmed, behind, or like you're not doing enough, remember you're not alone. It happens to the best of us. But here is the thing. These preschoolers don't need you to be perfect. I can tell you that with my full chest. They only need you to be present, patient, and human. So let me share with you things I do on how to protect your peace. Your energy as a preschool teacher. The first one, I set boundaries. Don't drag hours of work home every night. It's just not sustainable. Choose 1 or 2 things to focus on and leave the rest for tomorrow. You're a teacher, not a superhero, even if you act like one most days. Focus on what really matters. Did your children feel safe today? Did they feel loved? Were they engaged? Even for just a moment. Did they learn something? Anything at all? That's a win. Seriously, that's enough. Thirdly, ask for help. There is no shame in reaching out. Stop planning on activity. Ask a fellow teacher. Struggling with children's big emotions? Talk to your director or school counselor. You don't have to do this alone. Fourthly, take care of you. Whether it's sipping your favorite juice, coffee, watching your guilty pleasure show, going for a short walk, or doing absolutely nothing. Do something that fills your tank. A rested, recharged you is more present, more joyful, and way more effective teacher. So, go easy on yourself. You're learning, you're growing, and giving so much already. Asking for permission to be imperfect? Fully granted. So, rookie rockstar, there you have it. Routine, magic phrases, stealing activities, smooth transitions, and putting your mask first. These 5 things made my first year go from I might quit to okay, I've got this. Remember, focus on progress, not perfection. Some days will be messy, like glue in here messy. That's preschool. Place connection over curriculum. Build relationships first. The learning follows. And most importantly, you're not alone. Every single amazing teacher you see had a chaotic, confusing first year. We survived. I, Oluwaseun, Abosede, Olaleke, survived. And you will too. If you have spent more than a year as a preschool teacher, what was your biggest first year struggle? Or what's your best survivor tip? Drop it in the comments below. Let's build a community and support each other. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real talk about preschool and early years. Hang in there. You're doing amazing, even on the tough days. See you next time.